Power Public YouTube channel, part 10 of the KZ Build Up project. So we've got the whole cart ready, stickers are on, everything's ready to go. Tess fired it, she's a sweetie. Now, we went to the track last night to run it in, and please excuse the footage, okay? I didn't take the trusty camera lady with me and did it all myself, so I've got like the wrong portrait view, but check this out, this is how it all went down. Tonight we're on location at the Ipswich Kart Club, running in the KZ Build Up project. You can see it here, it's ready to go. And I'm excited. Okay, we're going to be, after we run it in, we're going to be giving it the full measure to see how it goes and see what we can do to change before we go out to Xtreme Karting in a week's time to give it a real hot, red hot go. Yeah, ready. Alright, so that's the running in all taken care of. So now we're about to change the spark plug and go give it some the full measure. Look out. Alright, let's hit it. Give myself a bit more front. Yep. Okay, so as you can see, it all didn't go as well as we thought. Something's gone wrong. First gear is okay, and then I couldn't find second. I'm not sure what's going on. So that leads us to the next part series. Unfortunately, there's a bit of drama here. There's something's gone wrong in the engine, so we're going to be showing you in the next series of videos how to pull a KZ engine off and find the problem, fix the problem, and put it all back together. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button if you want to follow along at home. You'll get the prompts of the next video as soon as it drops. And in the meantime, check us out on Instagram and Facebook or online at parapublic.com.au. See you in the next video.